Stop right now. Look at your calendar and see when your OPT or H-1B status are expiring. Got it? That number controls everything: your sleep, your everyday lives, your relationship, your future plans, and everything else. One of my clients, Vikram, the senior AI developer, had a year left of his status when he texted me, "Stanislav, I'm done." 8 months later, he got his green card approval. And this could be your case as well, guys. In the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna show you and explain the 3 main visas that are coming to rescue you from your OPT, STEM OPT, and other things, including F1, H-1B, M1, and other visas. And you also will learn how to get a free evaluation of your case. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, we're discussing the best alternatives to your OPT, H-1B, and other statuses. If you're right now on STEM OPT, H-1B without the some immigrant visa approval, on other statuses, F1, M1, you must be a little bit of paranoid, and that's, I don't want to put the fear in your head, but you must be really concerned what's your next step, especially if you got the taste of that American dream and you really want to push forward to get some good status, something you can stand on and develop. So I'm going to discuss today O-1, EB-1A, and EB-2 NIW visas, which are the best options for you guys to get that American dream going. Now, why thousands of people are losing their statuses? Well, first of all, there is uncertainty with H-1B visa, with the new reform, with the 100K fee. Also, there's a lot of layoffs in the technical sector because, you wouldn't believe it or not, guys, but we're kind of in a recession, and usually the recession is being spoken about only months after it began or maybe even finished. So the technical sector is the one that really reflects what's going on with that. So these systems might be tough, but there are a few options given to you to consider and not to stress out. So right now, we're going to discuss those 3 options for you guys, and those options been proven with years to be the most effective ways for you to stay in the US or come here if you've never been here before. And that will allow you to live, work, and bring your family and build your future. Number 1, O-1 visa for talented people. And guys, don't get fooled with the name of this visa, because some of you are like, oh my God, I'm not talented. It's not about what you think, it's what the criteria are. And this visa is really good for those who want a fast-paced approval, who doesn't want to build a big, massive case. And for those of you who may need to close the gap between your OPT, your internship, your H-1B expiration, or other visas. You don't need to be world-renowned. All we need to do is to satisfy 3 criteria out of the 8. And it's not about how big things are, it's more about how prestigious they are in your industry. Also, you can become an employer to yourself. Examples of the professions are software engineers, electrical engineers, designers, startups founders, and marketing experts. But all other professions, cybersecurity, data analysts, doctors, architects, all other professions also fall within this category. If you want to know whether your profile qualifies for this type of visa, do the free evaluation right now. Go down below this video, find the link, open it, and fill out the questionnaire to get within 2 next days the free analysis of your situations. Do the free evaluation for O-1 right now, not to miss your opportunity. Second option, EB-1A, the green card for a talent. And this is a great option because it gives you the green card, and also to your family, your spouse and kids below 21 who are not married. It doesn't have component of lottery, Specifically, evidence is what we're looking at to prove the criteria. And this is one of the fastest way to get the green card among those that exist. It also has the criteria that we have to prove. EB-1A has 10 criteria as opposed to 8 criteria for O-1A. And we also need to prove 3 of those. However, the criteria that we prove must be really deep and prestigious and very good in your industry. My team, my company, and myself do have a lot of experience not only getting approvals for the cases that are very strong from the beginning, but starting with the average case, improving it for the next 6 months and getting you that 9 out of 10 chances of approval. And remember, once you get O-1, it's much easier to transition to EB-1A case. Also, EB-1A does not require an employer. That's why it's called self-petition. This is another advantage of this visa. The third option is EB-2 NIW National Interest Waiver. This visa is good because it's also kind of self-petition, not directly by law, but that's what the ultimate result is. All we need to show that your project, your idea is going to benefit the US, and we don't have to go and get all these achievements and recognition, prizes, what EB-1A and O-1 require. This is really good for technical people, everybody in STEM, data analysts, engineers, architects, designers, also startup founders with great innovative ideas to help the US. This one is a little bit longer. If EB-1A is about 1.5 years, a year if you within the States, EB-2 NIW is about 2.5 years because of the backlog. Now, to get the understanding whether you qualify for EB-1A or EB-2 NIW, also get a free evaluation. The link also below this video. Click on it, do the same thing, and I will analyze your case for all these visas. If you fill it out today, within 2 days, you're gonna get all the answers to your burning questions. Now, what many attorneys will not really tell you, number one, and this is really simple, choosing the right visa actually depends on your profile and not on the profile of an attorney, okay? Or maybe I'd rather say immigrant solution, okay? Let's say you come to the immigration attorney who has a general practice in immigration, and instead of some good visa that will help you a lot, they may offer a PERM, labor certification, maybe God forbid asylum and things like that. So make sure that the best options are really based on your portfolio. Timing and understanding the way to get the green card. Even if you choose O-1 option, it could not be isolated with your long-term goals. Because if it is, you will pay twice as more and spend twice as much time that could have been, okay? So make sure your strategy comes from day one and ends with a green card. So not following these 2 simple things may lead to longer, more expensive, more nerve-breaking, and just no good result for you. Now, let me give you a short synopsis what those visas are for and who can qualify for them. O-1, if you really need a quick solution to your burning problems, or if you don't have EB-1A or EB-2 NIW yet. EB-1A for those of you who have more experience, more projects, and more recognition in the field, and EB-2 NIW for those of you who can bring some kind of idea, innovation, enterprise, application, algorithm, patent to the US that will benefit this country. Guys, do that free evaluation right now. Really important to understand where you stand. Also, comment, ask questions under this video. I will definitely get back to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I release many very good educational videos that will help you understand what's going on with immigration today. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.